Elegance Residential, and today we are showing you the Hansome Lane project. We are currently in their master bathroom, but we also did their kids' bathroom, which we talked about in another video. Originally, this bathroom had a shower that was right here, and about to the wall to about right here. It was essentially square shaped. The toilet also came off of this wall facing the vanity. We removed the shower completely over, turned the toilet 90 degrees, added this high knee wall to give privacy over the toilet area. We also considered doing a water closet here instead, but doing a knee wall really makes the space feel a lot bigger. Their vanities were roughly in the same location, but we did expand them. They did before only have 2 sinks, a small drawer in the middle. Now they have larger drawers in the middle, and the husband and wife both have this really great vanity pullout, which fits in a 9-inch cabinet, and it's really nice because it comes with acrylic trays to put smaller toiletries in, help you stay very organized in your bathroom. Their vanity, we use Fabuwood, and Fabuwood allows us to do custom colors. The color they chose was Sherwin Williams Stardew, and it's a nice muted light blue, and it goes really well with the cool tones in this Carrera tile. On the floor we have in a 12 by 24 size, and then a 3 by 12 size on the walls to give that subway look. Instead of using the countertop as the backsplash, we use the subway tile, which continues on the knee walls. At the vanity, it is finished off with a marble pencil liner, versus at the knee wall, we have a piece of Schluter kind of blends in with the knee wall. We have a really big shower. This is where a large built-in jet tub used to be, and we added a small niche to the knee wall. It's great for shaving products or just some soap. It's always nice to have extra storage in a bathroom. Shower benches, you see us do floating benches as well as tile-ready benches. Tile-ready benches are great because you don't have to clean underneath the bench. And also it saves you money because you're not having to buy so much quartz to create that floating bench look. Since this used to be a large jet tub, they had a big square-shaped window here, and we kept the same framing for the sides of it. We just raised the bottom of it. That way we could do minimal exterior work. Marble pencil liner repeating around the window as well. Here we have 2 shower fixtures. This is their hand shower, which you can adjust the height on the hand showers that come with these poles. That is great for if you want to use your hand shower as a second shower head. I always like to do hand showers and large showers like this if we can, because they are just great for cleaning. Large 8-inch rain head here, and it is on a shepherd's hook. We have their main niche over here. Again, it has the marble pencil liner, enough for their shower toiletries that they need. That was the Hansome Lane master bathroom. I really hope you guys enjoyed. I can't wait to show you more. Thanks for following along.